Hey, what's going on, guys? Ryan DePaul here. So in this video, what we'll be going over is Nowsite and their compensation plan for their affiliate program that they have. Now, I usually don't go over this and talk about this. I just direct people into the direction they need to go, or where the video is, or to their corporate site. But I've had quite a few people ask me and reach out who've been seeing my videos and reviews of Nowsite on my YouTube channel. So if this is your first time, welcome. If this is not, hey, here you go. So I wanted to basically be able to get that information out to you because it seems like it's something that's wanted and has been asked for multiple times from me. So I'm putting it out there for everybody. So what we'll be doing is going over that. And yeah, so we're going to jump right into that one. And who best would be to show you and explain the comp plan better than these, not CEO than this one, but the VP, Vice President of Sales, Cheryl Coco. So we're going to do this right here, and I'm going to let you guys actually hear it directly from her. So with that, here you go.
Welcome to the Nowsite Affiliate Compensation presentation. The Nowsite compensation plan is simple, transparent, and generous. You can earn a quick return on your investment with monthly income that grows consistently. It's a simple and powerful plan. We share more than 60% of subscription revenue with our affiliates. You earn 30% of subscription revenue from your direct customers and 17 to 30% of subscription revenue from your secondary customers. Let me share with you how that works. The more direct customers you have active, the higher percentage you earn on your secondary customers, up to 30%. When you have fewer than 5 active customers, you earn 17% on your secondary customers. When you have 5 or more active customers, you earn 20% on your secondary customers. When you have 10 or more active customers, you earn 22.5% on your secondary customers. When you have 20 or more active customers, you earn 25% on your secondary customers. When you have 30 or more active customers, you earn 27.5% on your secondary customers. And when you have 40 or more active customers, you earn 30% on your secondary customers. You can earn 30% on your direct customers and up to 30% on your secondary customers. But what about everyone else who signs up after that? You can also earn through our influencer income. You earn a percentage of all subscription revenue in your entire organization, excluding direct and secondary customers. Your percentage increases based on how many of your affiliates earn at least $100. When 4 of your affiliates earn at least $100, you earn 0.5% of all subscription revenue in your entire organization. When 6 of your affiliates earn at least $100, you earn 1% of all subscription revenue in your entire organization. When 9 of your affiliates earn at least $100, you earn 2% of all subscription revenue in your entire organization. And when 12 of your affiliates earn at least $100, you earn 3% of all subscription revenue in your entire organization. The Nowsite compensation plan is simple, generous, and easy to understand. Through our affiliate income opportunity, you can earn up to 60% of revenue from your direct and secondary customers. And through our influencer income opportunity, you can earn up to 3% of revenue throughout your entire organization. This has been our Nowsite affiliate compensation presentation. Thanks for watching.
Man, see, Cheryl breaks it down so well and actually makes it so simple. It's a simple comp plan, but the way she just goes with it and it flows, it's amazing. So yes, we love Cheryl Coco. She does an amazing job as the VP for Nowsite, and just the breakdown for everything with the comp plan and everything that Nowsite has to offer. So yeah, that's what the comp plan is. So if you have more questions, or hey, feel free to comment in the section below, or even give me a call or text me, because my number is in the description below. And also, if this is your first time checking out one of my videos or my channel on YouTube, do me a favor. You see that big red button below? Yep. Hit that big red button, and right next to it is a little bell. Click that little bell and hit all. Because anytime I put out any new content on YouTube, YouTube will send you a notification saying, hey, Ryan DePaul just put out a new video. You like this last one, so you might want to check out this one too, because you got some value from it. So with that, guys, I'm going to wrap this up. Hopefully you got a lot of good value from this one. If you did, feel free to give me some likes. If you didn't, hey, give me some dislikes. I don't care. Go ahead and share this too to somebody who might find this interested. And with that, until the next one, take care, be safe, and be blessed.